Today we're going to make a quick journal that can grow with you as you need it to. Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today we're using metal cutting die set MD576, which is available in our online store. Now, this set comes with a jumbo pocket, a tall medium pocket as well, and lots of great hole reinforcers, plus 2 paper clips as well. Now, if you've missed the first video I did using this die set, I will link it in the description box, and also I will link it at the end of this tutorial. So at the very end, I'll put a card that you can just click on and go on to that first video for you to watch if you've missed it. Now, in that video, I had shown you how to make pockets to add to your cards, your scrapbook layouts, your tags, and of course your journals. Now, for today's project, the journal, I have also made a full step-by-step tutorial full of tips and tricks and plenty of chit-chat. So if you want to see that full version, that is available in our Academy, Spectrum Art Creations Academy, or SACs Academy for short. So if you are not a member yet, I will leave a link in the description box so that you can go check it out and get more info on the Academy itself. And also, by the way, in the Academy, you're also going to find lots more exclusive classes and workshops and other perks. Now let's get into today's tutorial. The first thing we're going to need is some chipboard for our front and back covers. I am using the Graphic 45 chipboard. Along the way, I'm going to be flashing measurements and information on screen. Then we're going to need some mats to cover our front and back cover as well. Then we're going to need some pages for the inside of our album. So we're going to cut as many pages as we would like the album to be. Remember that the album can be as big as you want it to be, as many pages as you want, and you will be able to add pages whenever you'd like. So it's a very flexible album, which allows you to continue to grow with it. Then we're going to need some large pockets. Along the way, again, I'm going to continue to flash those measurements and information as well as product cards so that you guys know what it is that I am using in case you have any questions or in case you are interested in purchasing them from our online stores. So hopefully that just makes it a little bit easier for you guys to know what products I am using, because I know that some of the questions that sometimes occur when you're watching a video is you don't know what's being used or what's happening. So I will try and walk you through it on this super quick condensed version of a tutorial. Again, if you want the longer version, it is available for you as well in the Academy. With our pocket done, next we're going to move to create a template in order to be able to make the holes for not only all of the pages, but also the front and back cover. Using a scrap piece of paper, I keep all of my scraps inside my zipper bags. I'm going to find a strip to kind of just demonstrate how it is that I have created that template, which is nice because then you get to use that template for all future projects too that require any kind of holes, or if you want to add pages, if you want to make additional journals, you can always use your template in the future. After that, using our crocodile, we are going to punch out the holes on our template. Next, we're going to create some mats for our pocket. And to do that, we're going to trace the inside of our die. Then we're going to ink up the edges and attach the pocket cover panel. Our next step is to add the hole reinforcers. Again, lots of great choices with this die set, so just kind of pick your favorites or mix and match. Next, we're going to add some tabs to our pages. So we have different options available in the online store. Well, actually many different dies, but that's one of my favorites, the whale tail. And then of course the We Are Memory Keeper tab punch is one that I use very often. Again, for additional tips, tricks, and suggestions, you have the full version of this tutorial available as well. But very simply, we are going to add some tabs to those pages. To help me figure out the centering of my additional tabs, I am going to be using our ruler, which is phenomenal. It actually allows you not only to figure out your 8th and 16th placements, but also has a 0 center, which allows you to level off your center and all of your tabs. After that, once our tabs are completely done, we are going to move on to our next step, which is going to be to work on the closure. After adding my sari silk closure, we are going to cover up our front covers with our panels, both front, back, and both of the insides. This is one of my favorite tools. It is the Ball Stylus in Silicone Dual Tip Tool Set. It comes with 5 pieces and it's wonderful, not only of course because it has the stylus ball tips, but also because the silicone tips allow you to get in there and clean up any glue mess ups or overspillage of glue and be able to wipe it without having to do any cleaning because it's silicone, so easy wipe. Next, we're going to use our template to create the holes on our cover, then glue on the reinforcers, and then finally insert some eyelets. Again, totally optional, but a beautiful look indeed. Once those covers are done, we are going to work on our binding. Again, in the full tutorial, I do cover some additional ideas, but I am using a corset-like binding system, which will allow my journal to grow as I need it to. So as I need to add additional pages, all I need to do is loosen up the binding and I will be able to make it as big as I want. And again, that's part of the beauty of this entire project, is the fact that you can fill it with ephemera, you can fill it with photos, you can do one for every month, you can do multiple years. I mean, the sky's the limit because it will just continue to grow and grow and grow. So here is our completed journal, and as you can see, I am simply loosening up the binding to show you just how much bigger it can get. Super fun, very easy to make. I mean, it's just a couple of hours to do the journal with these great pockets, and they'll fit so many letters, notes, receipts. It could be great for like a photo album or a Christmas countdown. And in addition, of course, to making our journal, that same die will make these other projects, which I had shown you before. Again, I will leave that video on here as well at the end so that you guys can go and check that out. We hope that you guys have enjoyed making it with us. And of course, I would love to hear what paper line you are going to be using. So do leave a comment down below. Let us know if you've made one. Let us know if you enjoyed it, and what you consider a great use for this album, because I really would like to make some additional ones, plus all these other super fun projects that you can make with the die set as well. Once again, if you guys have any questions about any of the products that you've seen, feel free to leave them down below. If you'd like to know more about the Academy, that link is also available, as well as some additional links down in the description box. Don't forget to check out the online stores for all the products that you've seen here, plus of course thousands more. We have 2 online stores at your service. We have spectrumartcreations.com and our Etsy store, and of course our live sales here on our YouTube channel. Super fun. Hope you will join us and shop live. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram if you are on IG, and to join our Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creations Friends, if you are on Facebook. If you are interested in finding out more how to get exclusive content, workshops, and lives, plus additional perks, please be sure to click on the Academy button to find out how you can start enjoying your perks today, right now. And of course, there are multiple different levels for you to choose from as well, so be sure to check that out. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, we hope that you will, because we have a lot going on, as you can see, all the time, and we'd love for you to be part of it. Thank you so much for joining us today in the Spectrum Art Creations workroom, and we hope to see you all very, very soon. Don't forget to check out this other video too, in case you've missed that one. Have a great day. Bye.